Hey friends, Luck here. So today we're going to be looking at the Mi Band 6 once again. So this is just going to be like what you should do once you get the Mi Band 6, the type of settings that you should put on in the Mi Band 6 and how you should customize your Mi Band 6. So the first thing you need to do is you download the Mi Fit app. Once you download the Mi Fit app, that's what you use to connect the Mi Band 6. So once you connect the Mi Band 6, all you need to do is open up the Mi Fit app. So once the Mi Fit app is opened up, then this is pretty easy now to handle. So once you open up the Mi Band 6, the first thing you click on is workout. You check all the workout modes available. Then you have friends, then profile. So on the profile, you click on Mi Band 6. Then you see store. Store is where you can change your watch faces to different watch faces that you like. So once you select a watch face, all you need to do is click sync watch face. Once it syncs the watch face, that will be the watch face that will appear on your device. So to choose custom dial, you go to the top. Once you choose a custom dial, you can change to different colors, and you can also select different pictures that you would like to use on your Mi Band 6. So this is very convenient because a lot of people like to use customizable pictures. Maybe they're pictures of your favorite pets or different things. So after you finish with the watch face, the next place that you should go to is the app settings. So in the app settings, you can click on weather. On weather, you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, depending on what part of the world you are and which one you understand most. So that is really a comfortable thing to be able to use there. So the next thing you do is you go to your alarm. In the alarm, you can set different alarms for different times of the day, which is extremely convenient. So next thing you do is you go to your world clock. In the world clock, you can add different countries and you can add different places that you will be able to use, maybe places you travel to or places you are interested in knowing the time for the region or have family or friends there. So next thing, you go out of the Mi Band 6 and you go to your settings. So in the settings, you click on unit. In the unit, this helps you change your metric from kilometer to centimeter to feet to miles. So like I said, depending on whatever one you know how to do, also the weight, you can change it to different ones as you feel confident. So apart from that, the next thing that we need to do right now is go back to the Mi Band 6. We click on the Mi Band 6 and we go to health monitoring. In health monitoring, we don't have the all-day heart rate monitoring system yet, but we do have active HR monitoring. So we just put that on, and we also put on some of the other settings like the sleep settings to monitor your sleep more accurately, and also the stress monitoring system. This will help you monitor your stress level every 5 minutes. So these are two very convenient things to do. You can also change different things like for your heart rate to send you an alert when you've passed a certain number. So this is something that you should take note of. So these are just some of the quick settings that you can do once you get the Mi Band 6. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next one.